Dear friends, in last lecture, unit 3, lecture number 3. In last lecture, we discussed the intersection of two sphere, equation of circle, and equation of sphere passing through the intersection of two spheres also. Let us see here, suppose this is the sphere S1. Sphere S1 is equal to 0 with radius R1. Center C2 with radius R2. S2 is equal to 0. See, center C1 minus U1 minus V1 minus W1. And radius R1 is equal to under root U square plus V square plus W square minus D1. Center C2 minus U2 minus V2 minus W2 and its radius under root U2 square plus V2 square plus W2 square minus D2. Now condition, if distance between two center is equal to sum of their radii, then both spheres touch each other from outside. Or touch each other externally. And if P is point of contact, then P divides line segment C1, C2 from C1 in ratio R1 is to R2. Clear? Next one. If C1, C2 is equal to magnitude of R1 minus R2, then both spheres touch each other from internally. If P is point of contact, then C2 divides C1P from C1 in ratio C1 C2 is to R2. Here we have to understood that C2 is a center of smaller sphere. C1 is the center of bigger sphere. Clear? In that way we have to keep things in our mind. If C1 C2 less than magnitude of R1 minus R2, then S2 equal to 0 is inside S1 is equal to 0. Then sphere S2 lies inside the sphere S1. If C1 C2 greater than R1 plus R2, less than R1 plus R2, that is less than R1 plus R2, then both spheres intersect in two distinct points. Then S2 is equal to S1 is equal to 0 and S2 equal to 0 are intersecting spheres. then S1 minus S2 equal to 0 is equation of common plane. Of intersection. Common plane of intersection. Now let us see few examples. Example number 1. Find equation of the sphere having extremities 4 minus 3 2 and 1 minus 1 minus 3 of its diameter. Here and end point diameter line segment AB of sphere are A of x1 y1 z1 is equal to A of 4 minus 3 2 and B of x2 y2 z2 is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 3, and therefore equation of sphere is x minus x1, x minus x2, y minus y1, y minus y2, z minus z1, z minus z2 is equal to 0 implies x minus 4, x minus 1, x plus 3, y plus 3, y minus 1, y plus 3, y plus 1, z minus 2, z plus 3 is equal to 0. અહીંથી આવે x square, here we get y square, we get z square, minus 4x minus x, that is minus 5x, 3y plus y, that is 4y, minus 2z plus 3z, that is z, plus 4 plus 3 minus 6 is equal to 0. This implies x square plus y square plus z square minus 5x plus 4y plus z plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of sphere. Next, our aim is to see more examples. Prove that spheres x square plus y square plus z square minus 8x plus 6y minus 6z plus 33 is equal to 0, and x square plus y square plus z square 4x plus 2y minus 59 is equal to 0 touch each other internally. Also find point of contact. Here S1 x square plus y square plus z square minus 8x plus 6y minus 6z plus 33 is equal to 0 implies u1 is equal to minus 4, v1 is equal to 3, w1 is equal to minus 3, and d1 is equal to 33. Implies center minus u1 minus v1 minus w1. 4 minus 3, 3. And radius. જગ્યા રાખું છું. u1 square plus v1 square plus w1 square minus d1. 16 plus 9 plus 9 minus 33. 25 plus 9, 34. That is 1. So this radius S2 is equal to x square plus y square plus 4x plus 2y minus 59 is equal to 0. Implies u2 is equal to 2, v2 is equal to 1, w2 is equal to 0, d2 is equal to minus 5. This implies center is equal to minus u2 minus v2 minus w2. એટલે આવશે -2 -1 0. And radius is equal to under root u2 square plus v2 square plus w2 square minus d2. 4 plus 1 plus 0 plus 5 9. 60 64 એટલે 8. હવે જો જે બિગર રેડિયસ છે ને એને R1 કહેવાના, આ સેન્ટર C1 કહેવાના, આ સ્મોલર રેડિયસ છે એને R2 કહીશું અને આને સેન્ટર C2 કહીશું. ખ્યાલ આવ્યો? ટચીસ ઇન્ટરનલી કે ને ત્યારે જે હંમેશા બિગર રેડિયસ આવે ને એ R1 એની ઇટ્સ સેન્ટર ઇઝ C1. Now C1 C2, see the distance between that two centers. 4 minus minus 2, 4 minus minus 2, 6, 36. Minus 3 plus 1, 4, plus 9, 49, એટલે 7. And magnitude of R1 minus R2, 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. So C1 C2 is equal to magnitude of R1 minus R2. Therefore, both sphere touch each other internally. If Pxyz is point of contact, then C2 divides C1p from C1 in ratio C1 C2 is to R2. Here C1 શું છે તો કે -2 -1 1. C2 શું છે 4 -3 3. C1 C2 is to R2 શું છે C1 C2 શું છે તો કે 7. R2 શું છે તો કે 1. And therefore C2 divides. Therefore 4 minus 3 3. C1p Pxyz. So 7x, put here p, C2p and C1. 7 is to 1, so 7x minus 2 by 8 minus 7y minus 1 by 8. 7z plus 0 by 8. So what we get? 7x minus 2 is equal to 32. 7y minus 8 is equal to minus 24. 7z is equal to 24. So 7x is equal to 34. 7y is equal to minus 23. 7z is equal to 24. So x, y, z શું આવે? 34 by 7 minus 23 by 7, 24 by 7. This is the point of contact. Whenever circle intersect internally. Now let us see. Prove that the sphere x square plus y square plus z square plus 4x minus 6y plus 2z minus 86 is equal to 0. X square plus y square plus z square minus 20x minus 36y minus 30z plus 4 to 4 equal to 0. Touch each other externally. Here જો એક્સટર્નલી હોય તો આપણે કોઈ બીજી વધારાની મેટર જોવાની ચેક કરવાની there no need to decide which one is sphere first and which one is the second sphere. Here that thing we have to see only when we want to see that spheres are touches each other internally. Here S1 is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 4x minus 6y plus 2z minus 86 is equal to 0. u1 is equal to 2. v1 is equal to minus 3. w1 is equal to 1. And d1 is equal to minus 83. Therefore, center C1 minus u1 minus v1 minus w1 minus 2, 3, minus 1. And radius r1 is equal to under root u1 square plus v1 square plus w1 square minus d1. 4 plus 9 plus 1 plus 86. 4 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 and 96 plus 400, that is 10. And S2. X square plus y square plus z square minus 20x minus 36y minus 30z plus 4 to 4 is equal to 0. This implies u2 is equal to minus 10, v2 is equal to minus 18, w2 is equal to minus 15, d2 is equal to 4 to 4. And therefore center C2 minus u2 minus v2 minus w2. So I'll say 10, 18, 15. And radius R2, so I'll say u2 square plus v2 square plus w2 square minus d2 under root 100 plus 3 to 4 plus 2 to 5 minus 4 to 4. That comes out under root 2 to 5. That is 15. Now C1 C2 is equal to under root 10 minus 2, 12, 144. 18 minus 3, 15, 2 to 5. 15 plus 1, 16, 256. 144, 56, એટલે 300, 400, 625. That is 25. Now R1 plus R2, 10 plus 15 is equal to 25. Therefore C1 C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. And therefore both spheres touch each other externally. If PXYZ point of contact, then P divides C1 C2 from C1 in ratio R1 is to R2. Here આ રીતે દોરી દો તો ચાલે હો. C1 શું છે? -2 3 -1 આ P. C2 શું છે? તો કે 10 18 15. and R1 is to R2 શું છે? 10 is to 15. એટલે 2 is to 3 એમ લખી શકાય. 2 is to 3. and therefore coordinate of P 2 into 18 20 minus 6 upon 5. 2 into 18 36 plus 9 by 5. 2 into 15 30 minus 3 by 5. That comes out 14 by 5. 45 by 5, that is 9. And 27 by 5. This is the point of contact. Now I would like to give some examples for you also. See, next exam I would like to give homework. Prove that spheres x square plus y square plus z square 4x plus 4y plus 4z minus 13 equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus z square minus 20x minus 36y plus 14z plus 73 equal to 0 touch each other externally. And also prove that point of contact. Let me see what is point of contact. Also prove that point of contact is 2 by 5, 2 minus 1 by 5. Second one for you. Prove that one sphere lies inside the other sphere. Prove that sphere x square plus y square plus z square plus 4x plus 4y plus 4z sorry x square plus y square plus z square minus 8x minus 4y plus 6z plus 28 is equal to 0 lies inside the sphere x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 8y minus 10z minus 58 equal to 0. Hint, only you need to prove that C1, C2 is equal to magnitude of R1 minus R2. Then we can say that one sphere lies inside the other sphere. In next lecture, we are going to see practical problem based on sphere. Here, today up to this stage,